Please.
Again, no. Besides, what do you even need this thing for?
Okay. We are repairing a Guinevere android.
Ha! Yeah, right. And I'm the CEO of the part company.
I'm serious!
Even if that's true, why should I help you? I've never liked any of those Gwens in my entire life.
Ugh, what a waste of time. Oh my, good to see you again, Reggie.
Wow, you're the coolest Gwen ever!
It feels like yesterday you told me I was your favorite Gwen. Aww.
I'll sell you the arm, just keep your mouth shut.
Need an autograph from her?
Sure.